In the competitive world of pulp moulding, your mould quality determines product success. Today, we reveal the 3 golden standards of premium pulp moulds, tested by science, trusted by manufacturers worldwide. First, precision engineering. Our moulds undergo analysis for reducing fibre clumping by a lot.
Watch how stress distribution ensures uniform filling.
Second, high-grade surface finish. High RPM speed milling, our CNC machining guarantees mirror-like smoothness, critical for defect-free demolding. Third, durability assured material. According to target quality and performance of product, a properly mixed match of materials will help fulfilling your special designs. Efficient cycle time. Good design of moulds shall be able to minimize cycle time and ensure higher output of production, which is the key of success. From material selection to final QC, every step follows our high standards. Ready to elevate your production?